Welcome back again. So this time I want to quickly show us how to make negative spinning smear. Negative staining smear. It's called negative staining because it uses only a single stain, either Nigrosin stain or Indian ink stain. And the importance of it is that the negative staining technique would allow you to appreciate the shape of the cells, the shape of the cells, and the morphological appearance of these bacterial cells you're working with. So that is just the great difference between the negative staining and the ground staining. And moreover, again, to add to it, in the negative staining, you do not need to fix. There is no fixation in negative staining. Unlike the ground staining that requires you to fix the bacterial smear. So for your negative staining, which we are going to demonstrate to us now, you do not need to fix your smear. Let's go. As I said earlier on, you will flame the wire loop, red pulse, then you flame to the head to cool. Then pick your dropper or pass your pipette. Get some Nigrosin ink. This is my Nigrosin ink. It could either be Nigrosin ink or Indian ink. Just place a drop. Place a drop onto your clean grease-free slide. The drop onto your clean grease-free slide. A drop of Nigrosin onto your clean grease-free slide. Having done that, you know we have already sterilized this. So, come and pick one or two colorless. Pick one or two colorless from the cotton media plates and you emulsify into the Nigrosin ink. Emulsify into the Nigrosin ink. Emulsify very well into the Nigrosin ink. Go back to the flame to sterilize the wire loop. Red hulks. Wave to the head to cool faster, so that the purpose of it going back to its face, the wire loop is to kill the excess microorganism on the move, so that everybody will be safe. Then you put off your bossing burner. Having done that, you pick a fresh slide. You are going to make a thin film, just the way we do for malaria blood film. You just make a smear. You spread it out gently. Just spread it out.